The next step we want to learn is a brush step. I'm going to show it to you from the side. Leading with my left, I'm going to do a double step. I'm going to take my toe tap of my right foot. I'm going to brush it forward until I get my leg about this position. Then I'm going to bend my right foot like this. And simultaneously, I'm going to click the heel of my left foot. And that's a brush step. Now, there's several things that's hard about that because it's another awkward step. There's a couple of awkward steps you learn in beginning clogging, and this is definitely one of them. Because when you get your foot to this position, you have to bend one and click at the same time. So you actually have to go double step, brush, click. Now, it's harder if you do it slow. It's easier if you do it fast, but you can't do it faster until you understand it. And it's a styling thing. When you brush your toe is not, you're not pointing your toe. Your toe is going to be flexed. And when you bend, your foot is going to stay flat to the floor. Okay? But at the same time you're doing that, you have to click the heel you're standing on. So let's worry about the clicking now. Let's just take our right foot and go brush, and then click. And then step on your right foot. That's a weight change. Brush your left toe tap. Now don't hit the heel, just the toe. Toe, brush, and then bend and click. Click. Step on your left. Brush. Click. Step. Brush. Click. Okay, so it's step, brush, click. Step, brush, click. Okay, left foot, we're going to do that. Ready and go. Step, brush, click. Step, brush, click. Keep going. Step, brush, click. Step, brush, click. So a brush is only the toe tap. The heel does not have any contact with the floor. Now, when you're clicking your heels, and in the South when they teach clogging, a lot of times they teach sliding because they do a lot of shuffles and drag slides and things like that. In the West, we usually just do a heel click when we teach brushing, especially to adults. But just to show you what it looks like, you would double step and do your brush. Now, instead of just doing the heel click, you're going to kind of scoot forward as you click, and that's a slide. So a slide is a forward moving heel click. Now, right foot, you double step to start the next brush step. Then you're going to brush your left. You're going to bend and slide on your right foot on the floor. When you're sliding, you kind of pick up your heel and scoot forward. And it's not really as hard as it looks. And yes, that is a scoot step, a scooting step in clogging. So with the left foot on the floor and the right foot up, we're going to just kind of practice the slide or the scoot forward. You don't scoot, you have to pick up the heel and then go forward. Okay, so if you want to do your brushes with a slide, yeah, go for it. Or you can just do a heel click. Double step, brush, click. Double step, brush, click. All right, so, and this is one of the steps that makes clogging clogging. And clogging look like clogging and look different from any other dance. So the brush count step is two counts. It's and a 1 and 2. So the sound, counting sounds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting it musically, and a 1 and 2. It's a 2 count step. We're going to do 8 brushes forward, and it helps to move forward. Ready and go. Double step, brush, click. 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 Now we're going to do 8 toe heels backing up. Ready and go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. I'm counting the music. 6, and 7, and 8. Remember, clogging starts on the upbeat. Okay, 8 brushes forward with the music and 8 toe heels backing up. It's going to be kind of fast, so you'll probably want to go over it several times, this section. 5, 6, 8 brushes, go. Double step, brush, click. Double step, brush, click. Double step, Let's go. Double step, brush, click, double step, brush, up, double step, brush, up. Eight toe heels back. And stop right there. Okay, so your brush step is a double step with your left, a toe brush with your right foot, getting your foot to this position, and then bend and click, or slide. Sorry about that, I'll move away. So it looks like this, double step, brush, click, and another one, and a 1 and 2. It's a 2 count step.